There's a phone-in question from the OBP media in Manila. Reaction on the supposed 1 million bounty placed by the HOR committee on the para po sa pagkakakita kay at sa alleged CIF Secretary Mary Grace Piatos.
I have no comment on that, no, because I've not seen the acknowledgement receipt na kanilang sinasabi, because basically lahat ng mga documents hindi siya dumadaan sa akin, dumidiretso siya sa SDO and sinasubmit siya sa ICFAO, yung office ng COA na gumagawa ng audit ng confidential funds. So hindi ako makakomment, lalong-lalo na hindi namin alam kung paano pinroseso ang pagbigay ng copies ng ARs or ng submissions namin sa COA to the House of Representatives, and sino ang nag-handle noong mga documents.
Isa pang follow-up nila, Deputy Speaker David Suarez claimed that OVP is hiding Ms. Gina Acosta in Caraga. That's why there's an ongoing event here in Butuan.
Well, alam naman ng lahat na it's the 89th anniversary of the Office of the Vice President, and hindi lang Caraga ang merong activities in relation to the anniversary, no. In fact, sa susunod na araw nasa Bukidnon kami for Southern Mindanao, Central Mindanao, and then nasa Lanao del Sur kami for Western Mindanao, and then for BARM, and then nasa Isabela City kami for Western Mindanao, and then meron din kami sa Cebu, meron din kami sa Leyte, meron din kami sa Ifugao. All these were planned and prepared last year when we proposed our budget in relation to our Thanksgiving activities, in relation to our anniversary. November 15 yung anniversary, pero before and after November 15, madaming activities ang Office of the Vice President.
Next question, Sir Fred, please go na 25.